Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up to DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the website at doordash.com/dasher to sign up. Once you're on the website, the first thing to do is to enter your zip or postal code. Then click on Next and enter a valid email address. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Once you're done, click on Continue. Now, since I already have a DoorDash account, it is prompting me to sign into it. But in your case, they will ask you to create a new password. After that, enter all the required information such as your legal first name, middle name, and last name. After entering the details, click on Continue. Now, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions and complete the process. Finally, you will see the progress of your application. Currently, there are no vacancies available in my area, but once the process has been completed, you will receive an email saying that your account is ready to go and you're officially a Dasher. So that's basically how you can sign up to DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.